Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So welcome back to my channel with another video. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, stylish and creative ideas of hand embroidered designs for designing your baby girl dresses, baby girl frocks, summer dresses and summer frocks. But guys, the scope is not only limited to this. You can also design the very beautiful and pretty designs for your teenager or teenage community of girls. And even you can design for yourself some simple, easy, and lightweight, very beautiful designs of dresses. So, guys, if we talk about the hand embroidery patterns, then the beauty of this video is that this video is three-dimensional. You can get creative ideas of hand embroidery, machine embroidery, and even you can also get very beautiful and stylish patterns of stitching as well to design your baby girl dresses. So, before going into the further details or depth of this video, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my video. And don't forget to like and leave comments below the video that which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. Guys, I have discussed it before as well that the only concern, the only purpose and motive of my video making and sharing beautiful designs with you is to give you creative and amazing ideas, not to claim or reclaim someone else's work as our own. So the purpose is basically to share ideas. Now, guys, let's move back towards our main concern, which is that which type of fabric could we use to make these very beautiful patterns of frocks embroidery. Then the answer to this question is very simple and easy. That you can use simple organic fabric, simple blended fabric, lawn, and organic cotton or linen as well to handle this very warm and uh, itchy warm weather. So beautiful and exquisite look for summers is stunningly waiting for you. Just follow these patterns, just follow these color combinations. The beauty and creativity of these designs is that they are simple and easy to make and they are beginner friendly as well. So the ones who are in search of very beautiful and creative designs and at the same time they are embroidery beginners, then this collection is absolutely for you guys and you are at a very beautiful and right place and platform. So on my channel, you can get all type of amazing and creative ideas related to hand embroidery and art, needle art, and many more creativities that are being done onto dresses and different type of stylish DIY items like girls accessories, hairpins, hair accessories, handmade boots, hand embroidered shoe, footwear, bags, pins, hand embroidered, handmade jewelry, and very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery onto woven fabrics as well. So my only request to you is that keep watching us, keep loving us, keep watching our content, keep supporting us. With your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we would continue to grow into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So guys, with this allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing stylish and creative ideas. And do leave comments because your comments are the only ways through which we interact with you and we get to know what you feel about our content and what are your expectations from you to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. So stay tuned and try to make these beautiful patterns. And if you try any of the patterns shared in the video, then please share your experiences with us in the comments box that to how you make that design and what was the responsive feedback of your social circle onto that designs. And if you have already subscribed, one more request to you guys that you can also subscribe from many other devices as well because subscribers are very important. So stay tuned for the latest and more new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, guys.